What up, unicorns? All right, look, today you're going to be looking at a video of me doing a UI design. This is the quick, fast, and dirty version. If you want to get the long form version, the step-by-step version, click on this link card up here or here, wherever it is. Go to that one. You can see me do this process step by step. But for this one, very quick, very short. You're going to miss a lot of details. So I really suggest that you go and do that one. Okay, so like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay. Let's jump into Figma real quick. Boom, we here. All right, so we're gonna try to get this done pretty quick. So we're gonna make some buttons here, some SSO, single sign up, and we're gonna make some just regular button, and we're gonna make a bottom sheet, inputs, an image, and all we're doing is making just a login. That's super simple, right? Everybody can do that. All right, so I got some stuff already pre-made. So I got some colors in here, I got some fonts in here, got some of these logos in here and icons. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So let's just make some quick buttons. So I already got the sign up with Facebook thing. So let's go ahead and just make that. So let's pull this in. Let's take this. Let's actually let's move that over here. It's all my way. All right, we're gonna take this. We're gonna do. I have to skip. That's good. Man, that song was so short. Let's do another one. All right, let's try this one. All right, whatever. Let's do Shift A, auto layout. Let's take that. Let's center it. Actually, center it this way. What are we thinking? 8. That sounds good. I don't want this song. Here we go. Hey. All right, let's do our padding around this thing. Let's do 14, 8. We're gonna adjust this, of course, because we don't want it to look crazy. We definitely want it to fit into here. What is that? 52? I don't want to be 52. Let's do 12. It's okay. 48's kind of big. Let's do 10. Let's break some laws here. Yo, it's our world. We do what we want. All right, we do what we want to do. All right, this is at 44. Let's give it a radius of like 8. And if we're gonna cheat a little bit, we're gonna come in here. We're gonna do a fill. Boom. Not that. We're gonna do a fill. We're gonna just select this. We're gonna copy that. Boom. And then next we're going to give it like a little shadow. Little shadow. Little drop shadow. Let's do like say 1, like 2. Let's try to do 15. Nothing too crazy, just a little something. And then we're gonna make this white, of course. So we're just gonna come here, pop that on. What do you guys think of this button? Cool, right? We're gonna put that. Well, we want our button to go all the way across. And actually, we're gonna just make this one button once, and then we're gonna just use auto layout to replace some things. So I want to go 16. Actually, I think it's 344. I use this. No, that's a huge one. 344. I actually use this screen size a pretty good bit. So actually, no, I don't use it. Okay, not 344. We need one more pixel. Let's do 343. I was close. Look, I was close, man. Don't get it twisted. I was close. So 16. Boom. We're gonna do 40 from the bottom, actually. And let's make one of those things too. Let's take this. Let's make it like 5. Around the corners, center it. I don't know exactly the size of this thing here. I'm pretty sure it's not that good. I'm pretty sure it's not that big. Let's make it a little bit smaller, actually. Like a grab handle. Let's make it just a little bit smaller. Let's do 130. We're gonna center that. We're gonna get like 12 from the bottom. We'll just do 12. Who cares? So that's sort of the button that I want to make, and so I'm gonna just do that same process with the Google and Apple one. So I'm just gonna take a copy of this, bring it over here. Boom. Bob's your uncle. Boom. Now we have a primary button and a secondary button. We want users to sign up, so that's our primary action. And this is not going to be a bottom sheet. This is just going to be a regular thing, because like what I want is user taps on this, a bottom sheet will pop up, and then you'll be able to sign up that way. Cool. All right, so we made our buttons, so we're gonna be able to see if we can strike that out. Boom, buttons made. Now we need to make our bottom sheet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit R. I'm gonna make a box here. Okay, I'm gonna make a box, and I want my top radiuses to be like 14, I think. 14, I think that's what iOS has. 14. And I want to make, I'm just going to break it. Remember, send it to the back. So I'm going to do Shift Command. What is this? Left curly brace. Let me just show you. So Shift Command left curly brace. Oh, not that. Not that. Which one is it? Is it the back? Is it Shift? Is it Option Command? Yes, Option Command. So Shift Command curly brace takes you out of the program. Option Command curly left, not curly brace, but bracket. It's the same shit, yo. It's either curly brace or bracket. Either one of those. Use that button. Just use that button. It's gonna send that to the back, and it's the same thing if you do Command, not Shift, Command Option right curly brace or bracket. It brings it to the front. So front and back, and you can also just right click. Let's try to do some shortcuts. You can just right click, and you can just I think it's right here. You can send to back, send to front, whatever you want to do. But that's how I do it. It also goes back to how I used to do it when I was like working in like Photoshop and stuff. Anyways, let's scroll down here. Boom. Let's change this. This is gonna be white, by the way, but I do want to make sure that it's colored so we can kind of see it. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put an image behind this. Then that's it. All right. Yo, music. Look, man, it's hard being a DJ and a designer. I tell you that much. It's difficult. All right, what other song? I'm running out of music. I don't have that many songs, player. This might be a silent one. All right, what's this one? We'll try that one. All right, so what I want to do is I want to add an X icon so users can go back to this page just in case. So let's just get this X icon here. This is also part of the hero cons. I did not make these. Don't need to make these. This is also 24 by 24. And then we're going to do, what we want? 16, 1, 2. And then 16 from the top too as well. And then I want to bring these up because I think I want to have this be 24 from the bottom, I think. Let me think. Yeah, they're going to do 24. 28, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3. So we got 16, 16, and we got 25. Let's highlight both of these. Just hit once so we can go down 1 pixel. So now I think we're good to 24. 16, 16. Cool. So that way users can go back. And also, we need to put in some text here. Sign up with D's here. Sign up with D's. Actually, I'm gonna put sign up with D's. All right, we're gonna put sign up with D's. We're gonna center that. We're gonna take this. We're gonna center that too. We're gonna actually center this to the actual doc, to the actual page there. Man, my eyes are itching. I think I got allergies, guys. You know it's almost winter time, but jeez. All right, so let's take this. Let's line it up with what we got. Here. This is also 24 pixels tall, so I need to line it up with that. Make sure it's 16. We're gonna center that. Cool. Sign up with. Actually, I misspelled with. It's supposed to be wit. Sign up with D's. All right, so we got sign up with D's. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this. We're going to just bring it all the way down to the bottom. This gray is, I'll make it just a little bit lighter gray. But it's still going to be white. All right, so we made our bottom sheet. We made our buttons. We made a bottom sheet. Boom. We made a button. And we need to bring, actually, I don't know why I have inputs. I guess I'm going to do a login screen. I guess I can do a login screen. Let's break a law. So let's see this. So let's actually click on this. Let's go to a plugin called Unsplash. Let's put in just a random image. It doesn't have to be anything remarkable or even relatable. Did it even come up? Where is it? Here we go. What are we thinking, guys? We're thinking abstract. Abstract look dope. Abstract look cool. Let's put in this abstract one. We'll see what this one does. What's it doing? Is it doing it? Insert. Is it gonna work? Oh, that looks wild, dude. That looks wild. Let's put some people in here, man. Let's go back to I want to put some people in here. People like people. Let's type in like family. I like family. I have a family. Look at this. This is a great family shot. Does it make sense for what I'm making? I don't know, but I like the negative space that it's providing at the top. So when I put in a logo, it makes sense. And okay, let's actually just use that same one because we thugging it out. You know what would be really cool if you do tap on the different ones, the image in the background changes. So that'd be a cool little experience. So as the thing animates up, it's gonna like darken the background, but also change the image. So let's try this one. All right, so what do you guys think? Should we look at what this looks like on a phone? All right, let's try it out. All right, so I'm gonna come in here. Let's see what it looks like on my phone. Let's click on one of these. Oh, look at that. Very simple. That looks nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. It looks fire on my device. Like on my device, it looks pretty damn good. Hopefully you guys can see that. On my device, it looks legit. Let me click on another one. Boom. Yo, that looks legit. Yo, when you guys like make sure that you test your stuff on your device. That way you can kind of see how good it looks. And then the other one, yeah, it looks dope. What am I doing? And then here we go again. Zoom in EA. Zoom in. Yo, this camera is like, nah, we good. So, yeah, that's what it looks like on a device. On my phone, it looks pretty dope. I really want this camera to zoom in on my face because it's not doing it. And then this looks good on this one. Yo, this looks fire, man. This looks fire. I wish I could show you. Oh my gosh, just zoom in, please. Just do it. Why not? Oh my gosh, forget about it. So that has been the. Okay, now it wants to zoom in on me. Okay, whatever. It does look pretty good on my phone. I will say, looks pretty lit, and everything looks pretty lined up too. As I look through these on my device, it doesn't look out of place, except for that there's an overlay over here with yo, it's overlaying like crazy. Why is it showing it like that on my phone? Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Look, it's showing the Apple and Facebook logo, and then it's showing the email and Google logo. But when I go back to my design, it's not there. All right, Figma, you're doing something weird. I don't know what you're doing, but these items are not in there. But anyways, guys, that has been the video. I'm gonna go and delete all these so we can kind of just see them. That's been the video. Yeah, let me just close this bad boy out, and hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I have to edit some stuff because this video is long as hell. Anyways, guys, that's been the video. Really hope you enjoyed that one. Just a UI design that I just did for a sign up thing. I did this basically like a place where you go to log in and sign up, and you click on that. A bottom sheet pops up, and you get all the information that you want to put in. You can do Apple sign up, Google, Facebook, or just an email. If you do click on login, you can do login right there. So hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys know how to make a button. Hope you guys know how to make a bottom sheet. And I hope you guys learned a little something today. And that's it. That's all I wanted to do. Retire and inspire. That's not it. I'm not coming up with anything new. But anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that one. If you have it already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Make sure you go to uglyunicorns.com. Book a whiteboard session with me, book an interview prep, whatever the heck you want to do. Go to uglyunicorns.com and book that. And also go to patreon.com/uglyunicorns. You can get more information like this. You'll get access to all the content that I have here today. You can have access to all these different screens, all these different buttons that I just created today, so you guys can have that going forward in your design work. So I'll put that in one of the tiers. It might be the second tier that gets it. So make sure you guys go over there and do that. But like I always say, guys, don't just be a unicorn. Be an ugly unicorn.